What is the Philadelphia Doctorate Course in Scientology? Have you ever wondered what the Philadelphia Doctorate Course is all about in the context of Scientology? This course is a key part of Scientology's teachings and history. It was delivered by Lron Hubbard in December 1952 and is known for its in-depth exploration of the spirit of man. At the heart of this course is the concept of the Thetan, which refers to the spiritual being that represents our true self, distinct from our physical body. The Philadelphia Doctorate Course consists of 20 lectures that provide a detailed framework for understanding the relationship between the Thetan and the creation, maintenance, and destruction of universes. It discusses how the Thetan has fallen from its full abilities and the universal laws that can help restore those abilities. To aid in understanding, the course includes original hand-drawn charts that illustrate these concepts in a clear way. A significant connection exists between this course and the book titled Scientology 8808. This book lays out the theoretical framework that the Philadelphia Doctorate Course expands upon. Through this course, students gain a more comprehensive understanding of what it means to be in a native state of being. The Philadelphia Doctorate Course is often seen as a vital step for those on the path to becoming an operating Thetan. This state represents a level where individuals can achieve spiritual freedom and realize their full potential. The course lays the groundwork for further studies and practices within Scientology, particularly in the realm of developing spiritual awareness and abilities. In the broader context of Scientology's history and origins, the Philadelphia Doctorate Course marks an important milestone. It reflects Lron Hubbard's ongoing research into the mind and spirit, which continued to evolve through later courses and publications. This course is not just a collection of lectures. It is a foundational element that has shaped the philosophical and technical foundations of Scientology as we know it today. So, if you are curious about the teachings of Scientology, the Philadelphia Doctorate Course is an essential piece of that puzzle, offering insights into the nature of the Thetan and the journey towards spiritual enlightenment.